Hello everyone. Today I'm going to give an introduction about the syllabus. It's something essential. If you are studying, you must be able to know what are the things in your syllabus. Then it will be very easy for you to understand what kind of things I must learn related with the syllabus. Then let's go. Here, in here you can see subject, content and time duration by competencies. Let's not consider about time duration because you are learning from YouTube and I'm giving you the instructions from YouTube. Then you can learn very easily without any doubts or any other problems. So here, these things which is in here are competency level, content, learning outcomes and periods. Periods are also, I think you can also maintain this its periods as if you have a timetable, you are working to a timetable. If you haven't any, I think it's better to have a several time to learn, because as you are students, I know that you at every time you are going to involve with studies, no, then you must be able to manage your time. Here, let's see what is on here. uh, competency level, content, learning outcomes. Here the first competency is investigates the place of the computer in the world of information. Investigates the place of computer in the world of information. Let's see what are the levers in this. Actually, what is the place of computer in the world of information? Let's be able to talk all those things when we are learning the lesson. I give you those briefly. Investigates the contribution of ICT towards national development. Today in Sri Lanka and also in any other country, that computer literacy is something essential. If you are going to working in government office or private office, that is something actually essential. It's something that needed for our day-to-day tasks. Then content, definition of ICT, application of ICT in the society. We must be able to understand what is the definition of ICT, application of ICT in the society. Then in those, e-government, agriculture, education, health, industry, entertainment. Those things are the things we are going to learn here. Learning outcomes explains the nature of ICT. We must be able to understand what is the nature of ICT. We must be able to explain what's the nature of the ICT. Elaborate the uses of ICT in various phases of work. We must be elaborate the uses of ICT in various phases of work. We need ICT in various phases of work. No, in here that is something essential for our life. So we'll see in 1.2. The 1.2 investigates the computer as a system for converting data into information. Computer as a system for converting data. What is data? Do you know what is data? Data means, what is data? Data means something, a number, a word, not a, sometimes a word can be a data, and another time that the same word can be a information. But the most proper thing for that is a letter, word, symbol, some things like that. Those things can be the data. Data means some things that were not organized. The things that organized can be known as information. Components from here in this 1.2, the things included are components of a system, difference between data and information, data as input and information as output. We are inputting data that but we are getting the output as information. Processing as the method for converting data into information. Like that. Learning outcomes of this is uh, describe various systems in day-to-day life. Yes. Investigates the computer as a system for converting data into information. Here, yes, actually it describes various systems in day-to-day life. Elaborate functions of an information system in terms of its main components. Let's move to another. 1.3. Then, in our first unit, okay, it investigates the place of the computer in the world of information. Okay, then here explores the evaluation of computers to identify its major development. Competency level explores the evolution of computers. Evolution means generation to generation. Computers has been evolutionary developed. Today we are using very intelligent types of computers, but previously we used very simple machinery things, simple components like that. Here in the content, computer generations, yes, as I previously said, evolution of processor technology, evolution of processor technology, vacuum tubes, transistors, integrated circuits. Those things are we are going to discuss here, and the improvements in system characteristics like size, capacity, speed, accuracy, and efficiency. And what are the learning outcomes of those things? What is the actual learning outcomes of those? The by exploring the evolution of computers to identify the major developments, what are the outcomes? Let's see. Explain the landmarks in evolution of computer. Yes, we are really be able to understand what are the landmarks of the evolution of computers, and we will be really able to explain. It's a must. As the grade 10 students or the O level students, we must be able to explain. We must gain the idea, and really we must be able to explain what should be here. Discuss the enhancement in system characteristics with the evaluation. Okay, for today that's enough. Those things are enough to today, because step by step, by describing the syllabus, we can go through. And after describing, again I came to syllabus, and we can really understand if what are the really be able to understand thus we completed the things we must do. Okay, then thank you very much. Goodbye, have a nice day, and let's meet in with another what? Another session. Okay, say bye.